Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Discovering Success. Uncover your purpose, passion, and path. Lecture 9. In this lecture, we will learn about taking action and moving forward. Taking action and moving forward. Creating a personal action plan. Breaking down goals into actionable steps. Developing strategies for staying motivated and focused. Managing time and resources effectively. Intelligent habits and routines that support success. Taking action and moving forward. Success is not a destination, but a journey. It requires taking action and moving forward, even when faced with challenges and obstacles. The first step towards success is believing in yourself and your abilities. You have the power to create your own future and achieve your dreams, but it all starts with taking action. Taking action means stepping out of your comfort zone and embracing change. It means setting goals and working towards them every day. It means facing your fears and overcoming them. It means being persistent and never giving up. When you take action, you create momentum that propels you towards success. So, don't wait for opportunities to come to you. Go out there and create them. Creating a personal action plan. Creating a personal action plan is essential for achieving success. It helps you set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals that are aligned with your values and priorities. By breaking down your goals into actionable steps, you can stay focused and motivated and track your progress along the way. To create a personal action plan, start by identifying your long-term goals and then break them down into smaller, more manageable goals. For each goal, list the specific actions you need to take, the resources you need, and the timeline for completion. Make sure your goals are realistic and achievable, but also challenging enough to push you out of your comfort zone. Breaking down goals into actionable steps. Breaking down your goals into manageable steps is key to achieving them. Start by identifying the specific actions you need to take in order to reach your goal. These actions should be specific, measurable, and achievable within a certain time frame. Once you have identified the actions needed, prioritize them based on their importance and urgency. This will help you focus on the most critical tasks first and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Remember to also anticipate potential obstacles and plan for how to overcome them. Finally, celebrate your progress along the way. Achieving small wins can help keep you motivated and focused on the bigger picture. By breaking down your goals into actionable steps and staying committed to the process, you can achieve success. Cultivating self-belief and confidence in your abilities. Self-belief and confidence are key components of success. When we believe in ourselves, we are more likely to take risks, pursue our goals, and overcome obstacles. However, cultivating self-belief and confidence is not always easy, especially if we have experienced setbacks or criticism in the past. To build self-belief and confidence, it is important to focus on our strengths and accomplishments. We can also practice positive self-talk, challenge negative beliefs, and seek support from others. Additionally, setting realistic goals and taking small steps towards achieving them can help us build momentum and confidence over time. Developing strategies for staying motivated and focused. Staying motivated and focused is essential for achieving your goals. One effective strategy is to visualize success. This involves imagining yourself achieving your goal in vivid detail, including how it feels, looks, and sounds. Visualizing success can help you stay motivated and focused by reminding you of what you're working towards. Another strategy is to seek support from others. This can include finding a mentor, joining a support group, or simply talking to friends and family about your goals. Having a support system can provide encouragement and accountability, which can help stay on track. Taking breaks is also important for staying motivated and focused. Research has shown that taking short breaks throughout the day can actually increase productivity and creativity. So, don't be afraid to step away from your work and take a walk or do something else you enjoy. Finally, developing a growth mindset can help you stay motivated and focused by embracing challenges and seeing them as opportunities for growth, instead of giving up when faced with obstacles. Focus on learning from them and using them as stepping stones towards success. Managing time and resources effectively. Managing time and resources effectively is crucial for achieving success. It involves prioritizing tasks, delegating responsibilities, and avoiding distractions. One effective technique is to create a schedule and stick to it. This helps you stay on track and ensures that you are making progress towards your goals. Another important tool for managing time and resources is delegation. This involves assigning tasks to others who are better suited to handle them, freeing up your time to focus on more important tasks. Additionally, it is important to avoid distractions such as social media or email notifications. These interruptions can disrupt your flow and make it difficult to stay focused. Implementing habits and routines that support success. Developing habits and routines that support success is essential for achieving your goals. Consistency is key when it comes to creating new habits. So start small and gradually build up over time. Influences, such as supportive friends and mentors, can help you stay motivated and focused on your goals.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.